In today's video, I'm going to share with you a beauty secret that I discovered that produced overnight results in my skin. I'm Lynn Vitale, and as you know, I always want to share with you dependable health and wellness information. And so today, I really want to tell you about a little secret that I figured out with respect to collagen peptide supplementation, cofactors, and timing. So I had already spent about 2.5 years putting collagen peptides, plain peptides, in my coffee, and I saw really good results. But when I combined it with vitamin C, biotin, and silica, antioxidants, trace minerals, and magnesium, and moved it to an empty stomach closer to the time I go to bed, the next morning I saw results that I hadn't seen in 2.5 years. And after about 4 days, I saw that improvement just continue. And since then, my skin just gets brighter and more glowing because I'm giving it everything it needs to do all that repair overnight. So what is it about that secret? Well, peptides give you the building blocks to make collagen, keratin, and elastin. And the vitamin C, biotin, silica, trace minerals, that gives you the cofactors to fuel the enzymes that put the collagen together. But when you put the secret sauce of magnesium in with everything else, now you're making collagen, keratin, and elastin everywhere in your body, but visibly on your skin and in your hair and your nails, and also hyaluronic acid. That's the big clincher. That makes your face moist, it plumps up your wrinkles, and it also helps in places you can't really see, like inside your eyeballs and in your joints. So what makes that so special? Well, taking it on an empty stomach instead of putting your peptides in with fats and fibers and other proteins seems to enhance the bioavailability. And that's really the old school way to take collagen. So it's no surprise. We just kind of gotten into this trendy thing about putting it in our coffee. You could still do that. You could put plain peptides in your coffee or your tea or your golden milk, your matcha latte or whatever you're doing. And that's great. Put about 10 grams a day. But for repair, and especially overnight, which is when you do all that, when you're sleeping, make sure to get at least a dose of collagen with the cofactors and the magnesium sometime later in the day and before bed and on an empty stomach. So there's a couple ways you can do that. You can combine a plain peptide product with cofactors of hopefully food-derived vitamin C, silica, and biotin, along with some other trace minerals. Another B complex is supportive. Something like this, a collagen builder, helps with that. And then your magnesium powder allows you to give yourself exactly what you need. Some people need a lot of magnesium if they don't get a lot of vegetables in their diet, a lot of plant food. Some people already have a lot of that and maybe just need a little supplementation of magnesium. But it's about the timing, all these things together. You could also replace these two products with a combination product like this that already has the vitamin C and silica and biotin in it with 10 or 12 grams of peptides and the magnesium powder, and they taste awesome together. It's very refreshing, very easy to drink. If you feel like you already have some of those other ingredients, maybe use BioSil or something like that, which already has that biotin and silica in it. You could just add a good food grade vitamin C to the whole picture. Some other things that help out that weren't related to my beauty secret, but I've added since then that seem to support the whole process are making sure, especially as we enter into summer, that your electrolyte balance is where it needs to be. If you're endeavoring to do the ketogenic diet or even low carb diet, very high fat, as you lose glycogen, you may be losing water. As you urinate a lot of water, you may lose electrolytes. If you lose electrolytes, you lose cellular function and even enzymatic function, and your skin won't glow. It won't look that healthy. So having a good electrolyte mix, sometimes I even put that right in with everything else, and it tastes amazing and helps, again, to hydrate overnight. So you wake up hydrated, plump, glowing, fresh, all of that. Another really neat concept that has kind of come out lately, although the two ingredients have been around for a long time, is putting CBD with Lipowheat Phytoceramides together. CBD can have inflammatory balancing effects. It can help to improve your inflammatory response, But Lipowheat itself actually helps support the health of the fibroblast cell that makes the collagen. So that's another good supportive product. And even little trace mineral drops that you can put in your water bottle and be sipping on that all day makes a huge difference in your electrolyte balance over the long term. Why do we need electrolytes? Why do we have to add them to our water? Well, if you're like me and you actually have a water purifier at home, it pulls all those toxins and nasty stuff out of your water for sure, but it also pulls out minerals. And we're not living a natural life anymore where we drink out of streams and springs as we wander through, the wildlands. So our water is often devoid of those minerals. And if we don't get it back in our diet by eating organ meats or by eating lots of plant foods rich in minerals, we just don't get it. And our enzymes don't work as well, and we age faster. So all of this is really designed to put back in your body everything that your body needs to do what it does best, and that will reflect in healthy, glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please like it and share it with friends that you think might benefit. And remember that if you already shop on Amazon and you click on Amazon affiliate links for anything that I list below, you help support this channel and keep this information free and free of influence. Thanks again for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. Click on the notification button to get the next video. And until we meet again, live long, live strong, and make a difference.